What is going on, guys? Welcome to your 14th game development tutorial, and in this tutorial what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be showing you guys how to develop the main menu, because right now our game looks like this. If we go ahead and play it, a plain black screen, not very exciting unless you just love the color black. Then this game's probably awesome to you. But I want to build a main menu that, first of all, it gives a title that says welcome to Buckyland, and then it has two options. The first one is play the game, of course. That's one button you can click on. And the other one is exit the game. Maybe I don't know, you clicked on it by accident. Who knows? But I already have the two images that you should have downloaded and loaded already. So let's go ahead and hop into our menu class. And the first thing we need to do is load those two buttons. Again, the title, you can make that a graphic, but I'm just gonna do it the lazy way and make a really plain text on the screen. But the two buttons are going to be images. So image play now is going to be the button you click whenever you want to play the game, and image exit game is going to be the button, of course, whenever you want to exit the game. So now that we went ahead and said Java, we're going to make them. Now we actually have to set them to the image files. So play now equals new image, and where is it? It's in the res folder, and it's called playnow.ping. And the same thing with the what's it called, exit game. So exit game equals new image. Where is it? It's in the res folder, and it's called, I make sure it is called exit game. Exit game, and it's a ping because pings are awesome. By the way, whenever you're making your game, you usually want to stick to pings because, well, pings are the best for a Java game. Just remember that. Simple rule. So after this, now that we basically loaded them into a variable, we actually have to draw them on the screen. So whenever you want to draw things, just go ahead and hop into your render, and this pretty much draws things initially on the screen. So the first thing that we want to draw, remember, isn't actually the buttons, it's that title that just says welcome to Buckyland, because it's a cool title. So in order to draw text on the screen, G draw string, not G string. That would be embarrassing. And first of all, what string do you want to draw on the screen? Well, we just want to say something stupid like welcome to Buckyland. There we go. Where do you want to draw it? At 150. I think that would be good. 100 across and 50 pixels down. So now that we have the title on the screen, what we can do is, well, let me just go ahead and run this, verify our titles right there, looking pretty good. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the play now button right underneath here and the exit game button underneath that. So play now, that's the image, and what do we want to do to it? We want to draw it on the screen. Where do we want to draw it? At 100, 100. So it appears right under this title right here. Now the last thing we're going to do in this tutorial is just draw exit. If I don't hit caps lock, exit game, draw this at 100, 200, which will make that appear under the play now button. So now let's go ahead and run this baby and check it out. We now have the, pretty much this is all you get for the main menu. Again, it will probably be a little bit better if I threw a graphic in here that says welcome to Buckyland, and it's Bucky standing next to, a mountain or a tree or something. But I did it the lazy way. But the important thing is we got our two buttons, one at 100, 100, one at 100, 200. And notice if you click them right now, obviously nothing happens because we didn't add that functionality yet. So in the next tutorial, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the functionality to A, enter the play state whenever I click this button, and B, exit the game whenever I click this button. So for now, that's all you get, but in the next tutorial, that's what we have to look forward to. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you then.